AMDO01. This is handheld meter designed to measure dissolved oxygen.
Remove the protective cap to begin. The electrode soaking bottle. This is the electrode of this meter. Unscrew the membrane cap slowly. Anode and the gold-plated cathode. To polish the cathode, use the polishing strip moistured. Polish it perpendicular to each other. Do not over-polish it. Fill the membrane cap with electrolyte solution. Make sure no air bubbles form and fill it to the rim. Carefully insert the probe into the membrane with a little bit of overflow and screw it back slowly until tight. Make sure no air bubbles form. Now turn on the meter. The meter will take about 20 to 30 minutes to polarize. The reading should reach 101.7. Once the meter reaches a stable value, press Cal key on the meter and the meter will calibrate it to 101.7. Calibration done. Take the sample to be checked and dip the meter in the sample. Stir the electrode till the reading stables. You can see the O2 value and percentage on the display. Press mode to find the DO of the sample in different values like milligram per liter, percentage and PPI. Press H/M key to hold the reading. Recap the soaking bottle cap to secure the electrode. Make sure it is wet. To replace the electrode, unscrew the electrode collar and separate the electrode and replace the electrode. We do provide extra membrane cap along with the meter. Batteries are located on top of the meter. Note the polarities and replace the batteries.